Niyati and today I'm going to share with you some easy tips to get glowing skin in winters. Now nobody needs dryness or that kind of negativity in their life, right? So if you want to know what they are, keep watching. Also, if you're new to the Be Beautiful platform, do not forget to bash the subscribe button right now. Raise your hand if you're the kind of person that doesn't drink water during winters. Guilty as charged. Now warmer months tend to make you dehydrated and thirsty. But winter months do not have that kind of effect, which is why you might need a reminder just like I do. Set an alarm for every 2 hours to remind you to drink water. I found this to be the easiest way to ensure that I consume my daily dose of water. Now if you tend to get bored of drinking water, opt for a flavored fusion. Just throw in some slices of fruits and there you have a natural flavored water. Also make sure to eat fruits that have high water content such as watermelons, apples, oranges, kiwi and veggies like celery, cucumber and carrots. We all know that feeling of waking up on a chilly morning and feeling really dry and uncomfortable, and worst of all, flaky. During the cold month, dead skin cells can build up on the skin's surface, resulting in the complexion looking dry and dull. To keep your skin moisturized and glowing, ensure to use a body wash that provides you ample of hydration and nourishment. This body wash contains Nutriem moisture, which is going to make sure that your skin gets ample of hydration and that it stays soft and supple. If you have particularly dry skin, then this tip is going to be extremely handy. After showering, if you notice dry patches all over your body and your face, then you need a product that locks in the moisture. Vaseline is made of 100% petroleum jelly, which is going to give you that long-lasting moisturization during winter. Ensure to just apply it on your dry patches like your knees, your elbows and your heels. This skin jelly has the ability to reach the deepest layers of the skin and also forms a protective barrier, which is ideal for use during the harsh winter season. I know there's probably nothing as comforting as a hot shower during the winter season, but did you know that comes at a cost? Fact is, taking a long shower will actually make your skin feel dry and itchy. So ensure to take a shower that doesn't last for more than 5 to 7 minutes and keep the temperature of the water at lukewarm. Anything higher than that will take away all the moisture from your skin and deplete its natural protective barrier. Once you're done with your shower, pat your skin dry, do not rub it vigorously. And don't forget to slather it with ample of moisturizer. Which brings me to my last but most important winter skincare tip. Once you've showered, quickly apply a moisturizing and nourishing body lotion. Now I've used a lot of body moisturizer. Some are sticky while others don't do much. But this one right here has proven to be very effective. The Pond's Juliet Rose Fragrant and Smooth Skin Moisturizing Lotion has some unique ingredients. Formulated with the essence of roses, it leaves my skin feeling happy and radiant even in this harsh dry weather. So that's a definite win for me. Take a few small dollops of the lotion and slather it all over your body and you're good to go. So there you have it, your ultimate guide to fighting dryness and getting that glowy skin in this winter. Do let me know how these tips work for you in the comment section below. As always, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to Be Beautiful right here. Until next time, bye.